Hey friends, so I'm going to show you how to make a dairy-free, salt-free, sugar-free, oil-free chocolate pudding. So rich and creamy, surprisingly so without those ingredients. And you're going to forget all about, the stuff you feel guilty about. But if you want to have fun with guilt, go for it. But the more of this you eat, the more health benefits you're going to get, unlike normalized chocolate pudding. So let's go. Just a few ingredients. It's pretty simple. Doesn't take a lot of time, but I'll take my time for you guys. So the first ingredient I'm going to show you is going to be the avocado. For this particular one, and I don't measure anything out by the way, so just play with it. But I'm going to put 1.5 avocado in this one. Normally I guess I would do 2, but I've already used a half of another one on something else, and I just figure, I'll just use that half of one and a whole of another. I see about a half a dozen people have joined us already. That's pretty cool. Hey Brittany, nice to see you. These avocados are so vibrant. Check that out. Avocados offer a lot of creaminess to the texture of this when it's all done. Hi Janie, Kimberly. All right, so that's 1.5 avocados, or you could do 2, or you could do 1. Just a little bit goes a long way with this dish, actually. A banana, it looks yellow on this camera, but it's actually a bit more green. And I tend to go with the more green colored bananas because they're starch resistant. It's more blood sugar friendly. And starch resistant foods are not only blood sugar for that particular meal, but they have a residual effect over other meals if you eat them regularly. Hi Tiffany, Lorene, Janelle, might see you later today, Tina, Lisa Marie, Vicky. Man, there's a lot of people here. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to use 1 whole green banana, or you could use a half a banana, or truth be told, you could do this with no bananas and just have nothing but avocados and no bananas. Hi Tracy. So far all we have is a couple avocados, 1 greenish colored banana. Now I'm going to add some chia seed. You can soak these in water first if you want, or not. The chia adds a really nice consistency to it, just goes good in pudding. Also, it's a superfood. It's a healthy fat, that's for sure. This is the only healthy way to get healthy oil, is in their natural whole food source, like nuts and seeds and so on. In this instance, it's a chia seed. So I'll do a couple of tablespoons or more because I love it. I don't think you can go too heavy on it. Hi Lisa, nice to see you. I think you're in South Carolina right now, right? How's it going down there? And of course, true cinnamon powder. If you want to get cinnamon that really has the medicinal healing aspect, you have to get cinnamon that hasn't been irradiated. And for that, you need to go to a specialized health food store that has that. Otherwise, the regular cinnamon is going to be irradiated. And it strips away most, if not all, of their medicinal healing properties. Hi Susan, Jenna, nice to see both of you. So lots and lots of cinnamon, because it's a superfood for the pancreas and other things. This is true cinnamon powder, so it's very healing. Okay, so there's just a couple more ingredients, or 1 ingredient. Now I've got this special, the chocolate part. That's what I haven't done yet. Hi Courtney. The chocolate part, I use a special superfood blend for the chocolate part. And you can private message me about that. I'm not going to show the label here in this video. But the chocolate powder that I use has got 70 different superfood whole food ingredients in it. And it's extremely medicinal. I've been using it for years, and a lot of things. It's just one of the latest things I use it in is to make my chocolate pudding. But if you want to see it, just let me know. It's plant-based. There's no dairy in it either. It's completely plant-based. It's raw. So here's the ingredients, just to go over that before I blend all this up. I think I add water to it too. But we've got the special chocolate superfoods mix. Private message me if you want to see that. I'll just send you a direct link. You can look at it, see if you want to get it. I recommend it. The organic chia seeds, a couple of avocados, a green banana, and true cinnamon. And that's it. That's all I've got in this. That's all it takes. So now I'm going to take you with me this way to the blender. You may not be able to watch me blend it, but I think all of you know how to use a blender, so I'm not worried about it. You know what I mean? Hey Layla, Margaret. Okay, a little bit of water here. Just a little bit so that it blends, you know what I'm saying? Not too much, because I can always add water. Now this is the part that takes a minute or so, and you'll see what I mean, to get it to the right consistency. Right off the bat, needs more water. That's what I mean. This is the part that, this is the only time-consuming part, but even still, it doesn't take a lot of time. Just a few tries, a few times adding more water, and I'll get it just perfect. Oh yeah, gotta add some ice to it. Be right back. Hi Jenny, put some ice in there because it brings it to a really nice pudding-like temperature. Just a handful of ice cubes out of the freezer. Blend all that up, get it to the right consistency. Hi Mika, Alice, nice to see you. A lot of people here, pretty cool. Hi Marie. Marie says, I've been doing smoothies, trying to lose fat on my stomach and feel better. Awesome, Marie. I've got a lot of recipes for smoothies and other things. Feel free to check that out. I've got over 130 videos so far about how to make this stuff. Okay, so this is almost to the perfect consistency. I'm just going to add a little bit more water. And you guys, as you're making this, you'll just judge for yourself how you want it to be. But just remember, you can always add more, so don't add too much in the beginning. A basic cooking skill, I guess. Hi, Virginia. Okay, this will probably be it. Couple pulses at the end, but that sounded pretty smooth. Everyone loves chocolate except for my friend Julie Klein. Mel, your friend Julie is weird, but that's okay. I like weirdos. You know, I think that might be about perfect. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. That's pretty amazing. So I am... Sometimes it gets stuck to the sides a little bit, so I use this slanted wooden spoon so I can scrape the sides really well. So you can see where it sort of cakes up on the side. So I will need to blend it just one more time for that. And I am going to add just a smudge more water. Not much though. Not much at all. Just a smudge more. There we go. And this time I believe I will have it. Okay. Okay, here we go. A few pulses and... Yep, I think I got it. It's the perfect consistency. It's a pudding. The wooden spoon. Oh my God. That is so good. All right, so you guys need to try this. Try it out. Let me know how it goes for you. Just put it in the comments. Tell me all about it. Hi, Lindsay, you missed it, but this will be posted on my timeline so that you can see it. So try it out. Let me know how it goes for you guys. I'd love to hear about it. And on that note, I'm actually going to go enjoy this with my mom. She really likes this too. So make it for you and your kids, your parents, your family, and enjoy it. And it's like a really good chocolate pudding, but it's actually really insanely healthy for you. So that's pretty cool. My website is tombirkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tombirkenmeyer.com. Got tons more of this kind of stuff. And if you love health and wellness and nutrition and fitness like I do, and you want to make money with health and fitness and wellness and merge the two, money and health, then ask me what I've been doing for the last over a decade now, and I'll show it to you. And if it turns you on, you can do it with us, and it'll be a lot of fun. Take care.